नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मेरा नाम सौरभ कुमार है और मैं आप लोग को यहाँ पर एजुटेरिया का करंट अफेयर पढ़ा, जो कि आपका एक करंट अफेयर नवंबर 2021 से लेकर नवंबर 2022 तक का इसमें दिया गया है। इस किताब से हम लोग पढ़ने जा रहे हैं। आज का टॉपिक वह आपका जून 2022 का करंट अफेयर। द यूनियन एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर धर्मेंद्र प्रधान inaugurated द नेशनल योगा ओलंपियाड 2022 competition in New Delhi. Nippon project by the UN Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Objective 2 was provide skill and training to construction workers so that they get work opportunity abroad. In order to promote rain-fed farming in the hilly areas of Uttarakhand, the World Bank has approved a 1,000 crore rain farming project. Next, in the year 2023, the G20 summit will be organized in the Jammu and Kashmir. ठीक है। In the year 2023, the G20 summit will be organized in the Jammu and Kashmir. ठीक है। The first Bharat Gaurav, Bharat Gaurav tourist train between India and Nepal was run from Safdarjung railway station in New Delhi to Janakpur Dham in Nepal to connect the places connected with Ramayan circuit. A school enrollment campaign by Gujarat government. Purpose क्या आपका ensuring the enrollment of student in the primary schools of the state. Recently, a digital platform named Compass Power was launched by the ICICI Bank. Through this, it will be easier. It will be easier for students to get financial assistance for pursuing higher education abroad. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Center for Brain Research at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Indira Gandhi International Airport, the Delhi Airport has become the Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi Airport has become the India's first fully solar and hydro power airport. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट आपका टाटा पावर। तो आपका ये टाटा पावर सोलर सिस्टम हैज कमीशन्ड द लार्जेस्ट फ्लोटिंग solar power project in Kerala with generation capacity of 1,101.6 megawatt. MediSafe healthcare insurance scheme by government of Kerala. Purpose क्या है? Under this, advance premium will be paid from the salary of government employees and pensioners so that they will get with the benefit of health insurance. Recently, the Haryana government signed an agreement with Israel for cooperation in the field of water management. Bengaluru Kempegowda International Airport has been recognized as the best regional airport in India and South Asia at the Skytrax World Airport Award 2022. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the historic torch relay for the 44th Chess Olympiad at the Indira Gandhi Stadium, New Delhi. This torch will be taken to 25 cities in 40 days. India is the first country where torch was launched for Chess Olympiad. The BJP party has nominated the rival woman Draupadi Murmu for the first time as its presidential candidate. Draupadi Murmu is the former governor of Jharkhand. Next आपका Ambubachi Mela was organized at Kamakya Temple in Assam from 22nd June to 26th June. Next आपका Odisha government. Odisha got the first position in the National MSME Award 2022 in the development of micro, small and medium enterprises. Kasi Yatra, तो काशी यात्रा scheme started by government of Karnataka. Purpose financial assistance to of rupees 5,000 to the pilgrims going to the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Next आपका India's first mRNA COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pune-based Genova Biopharmaceuticals has been approved by DCGI. This vaccine has been named GEM-COVID-19. नेक्स्ट आपका हर घर तिरंगा कैंपेन। तो हर घर तिरंगा कैंपेन बाय सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट पर्पस टू इंस्पायर ऑल इंडियंस टू होस्ट द नेशनल फ्लैग इन देयर होम्स ऑन द ओकेजन ऑफ 25th इंडिपेंडेंस डे ऑफ द कंट्री. रिसेंटली अदापा मित्रा एंड अदापा आपदा, तो सॉरी रिसेंटली आपदा मित्रा, तो आपदा है आपदा मित्रा एंड आपदा सखी प्रोग्राम स्टार्टेड बाय द उत्तर प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट. अंडर दिस ट्रेनिंग will be given to voluntary workers groups to deal with natural calamities in the state. Skaljang region has become the first Indian mountaineer to climb the top of Annapurna Hill in Nepal. The Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Indian Oil Corporation developed an indoor solar cooking system named Surya Nutan. Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy has launched one health pilot in Bangalore. Its objective is to bring human, animals, and environmental health on one platform to solve various diseases in future. नेक्स्ट आपका मुख्यमंत्री मातृ शक्ति योजना बाय गुजरात गवर्नमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव टू इंश्योर न्यूट्रिशियस डाइट टू वुमेन ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी फॉर 1000 डेज आफ्टर द वन सेट ऑफ मदरहुड. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका है साइबर सिक्योरिटी एंड नेशनल सिक्योरिटी कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय द यूनियन होम मिनिस्ट्री इन द न्यू दिल्ली. इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस अबाउट प्रिवेंशन ऑफ साइबर क्राइम. नेक्स्ट आपका प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी इनॉग्रेटेड द न्यू कैंपस ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री वाणिज्य भवन in New Delhi. Along with this, he also launched Nitya Niryat portal through which importers and exporters will be able to get information related to foreign trade. Recently, Indian Coast Guard has launched centralized pay system Padma. Under this, uninterrupted payment of salaries and allowances of about 15,000 Coast Guard personnel will be ensured on time. Next, आपका President Ramnath Kovind inaugurated the Akhil Bharatiya Ayurveda Mahasammelan Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh. Its objective is to highlight the importance of Ayurveda in the field of medicine. Next, आपका the Delhi government decided to change the name of roads and colonies from Harijan to Baba Saheb Bhimrao Ambedkar. Next, आपका नवाब चेयरमैन GR चिंतला. तो नवाब चेयरमैन GR चिंतला launched the My Pad My Rat program in Leh Ladakh. Its objective is to upgrade the machinery for the manufacturing of sanitary pad for women. Next, आपका एक contract has been signed with the Tata project for the construction of Asia's largest Jewar Airport in Uttar Pradesh. The construction work of the airport is expected to be completed by 2024. The country's first heritage center will be set up for the Indian Air Force in Chandigarh. Its objective is to showcase the role of the Air Force and to motivate the youth to join the Indian Air Force. Next, आपका the Sikkim government has decided Blue Duke by the state butterfly on the occasion of the Environment Day. The Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Mansukh Mandaviya, has inaugurated the National Food Laboratory of FSSAI in Daksal, Bihar. This will assist and easy trade of food items from Nepal to India. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका है आंध्र प्रदेश गवर्नमेंट हैज लॉन्च 40,400 app to register complaints against corrupted or state official. The government of Rajasthan has started conferring Rajiv Gandhi Khairat Award to the sport person of the state. Next आपका है Maruti Suzuki India has set up Asia's largest car for solar power car-board solar plant at Manesar, Haryana. This will generate about 28,000 megawatt of electricity per annum, which Biggie Lab launched by Goa government purpose to manage the beaches and to benefit the people working in the field of tourism. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated the National Tribal Research Institute in New Delhi to promote tribal heritage and culture. Next आपका है the Harvest Festival Baiko. The Harvest Festival Baiko has been celebrated by the Rabha tribes in Assam. The Harvest Festival Baiko has been celebrated by the Rabha tribes in Assam. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट आपका है आपका Himachal Pradesh has become the first state in the country to approve the drone policy 2022. Under this, the activities of public services such as agriculture, industry, health, etc. will be made easier. The first private train was run by the Indian Railway between Coimbatore and the Shirdi under the Bharat Gautam scheme. This train will cover the cultural heritage and historical place of India. Kerala ranked first in Asia and fourth in the world in the global startup ecosystem. PM Modi addressed Garib Kalyan Samriddhi Yojana in Shimla, Himachal Pradesh. The purpose was that the people's representative from all over India could talk directly to the public to get their feedback about the schemes of the government. Next आपका है the operation महिला सुरक्षा. The operation महिला सुरक्षा was carried out by the Railway Protection Force from 3 May to 31st May with the aim to protect women and girls from trafficking. On June 5, 2022, on the occasion of Environment Day, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the Life Patrol for Environment Movement global initiative with the name is to promote an environmental conscious lifestyle. The National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) has set a record for laying 25 km 50 minutes concrete in 105 hours 33 minutes between Amravati and Akola on NH 53 Maharashtra. National Awards Portal launched by Central Government objected to bring all the awards various ministry of the department on a single digital platform. Next आपका the Swaksha Mitra project was launched in Kerala by the Department of Motor Vehicles. That this vehicle will be monitored, and in case of any accident, a message can be sent to the owner's mobile. Next आपका Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman inaugurated the National Museum of Customs and GST named Dharovar in Goa. The museum will display the artifact confiscated by Indian Customs. Next आपका on June 16, Union Minister of Road and Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated the Industrial Decarbonization Convention 22 in New Delhi. Its objective to promote the use of alternate source of fuels to overcome the energy shortage. Next आपका in the National Middle Congress organized in the Bhubaneswar by Ministry of Coal in collaboration with the Ministry of Power, Steel and Mines has set the target of achieving 100 metric tons of coal gasification by 2030. ठीक है. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has unanimously decided to conduct a caste-based census in all party meetings. Next आपका Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated India's first biotech startup Expo 2022 at Pragati Maidan, New Delhi on 9 June. Its aim is to showcase the application of biotechnology. It was organized by Department of Biotechnology and Biotechnology Industry Assistant Council. Next आपका Gujarat has become the first state in the country to start a Balika Panchayat. Girls in the age group of 11 to 21 run the Balika Panchayat. So Gujarat has become the first state in the country to start a Balika Panchayat. ठीक है. Girls in the age group of 11 to 21 run the Balika Panchayat. ठीक है. Next आपका a 3-day international literary festival was inaugurated at Shimla, Himachal Pradesh on 16 June 2022. It was organized by the Union Ministry of Culture and Science Academy. The festival was named Unmesh. Recently, Union Minister of Commerce and Information Technology Ashwini Vaishnaw has announced the launch of 5G services in India by March 2023. Next up, India's first display fabrication unit will be set up in the Hyderabad, Telangana to increase the production of semiconductor in India. Next up, the Punjab government has announced the introduction of e-stamp instead of the paper stamp process to check tax invasion. Next up, India's first dark sky preserve will be set up at the Changtang Wildlife Sanctuary situated in Hanale, Ladakh. This preserve will restrict the light pollution and offer best astro experiences. The first National Conference of Chief Secretaries was organized in Dharamsala, Himachal Pradesh from 15 to 17 June 2022, decided over by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Its objective is to promote cooperation between the centre and the states. Next up, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has launched an application CISS, Children in a Street Situation, under Bal Swaraj portal. Its objective is to make arrangement for rehabilitation of stray children. Next up, the Union Ministry of Civil Aviation has announced India's first national air sport policy. It aims to make India one of the top aerial sporting nations by 2030. Next up, North India's first bamboo village will be constructed at the Gandawar in Una district of Himachal Pradesh. Under this bamboo-based manufacturing units, it will be promoted. The Biodiversity Policy 2022 has been released by the National Thermal Power Corporation Limited (NTPC) for the environmental protection. India's first agricultural land price index was launched by IIM Ahmedabad. It will check over the data of agricultural land prices across the country. Union Home Minister Amit Shah laid the foundation to the Olympic level sport complex in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The complex will have facility for all the sports played in the Olympics. Recently, the central government has planned to set up PM Shri School as a laboratory of the new education policy that will be fully prepared to prepare the student for the future. Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport has become the first airport in the country to use the hybrid power project. The vertical wind turbine and solar mill has been installed here to explore the potential of grid power. The Drugs Controller General of India (DCGI) has approved the Corbevax vaccine as a booster dose for all the adults with asymptomatic COVID-19. ठीक है. President Ramnath Kovind has inaugurated the Saint Kabir Academy and Research Center in Uttar Pradesh. Mountaineer Priyanka Mohite from Maharashtra became the first Indian woman to scale 5 peaks that are above 8,000 meters. So mountaineer Priyanka Mohite from Maharashtra became the first Indian woman to scale peaks that are 8,000 meters. ठीक है. तो इस प्रकार हमने पढ़ा आज का वीडियो। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल हम पढ़ेंगे आपका मई 2022 का जो भी आपका करंट अफेयर्स है। ठीक है, तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।